Hola everyone! This I bring an episode of Just Physics. Freefall in a nutshell. Think about the 2 kg rock and the flat piece of paper. Which do you think will fall first? Yes, the rock. This is due to the air resistance of paper, a force that is caused by air. The force acts in the opposite direction to an object moving through the air. Now, think about two rocks being held 5 meters high. One is 2 kilograms and the other one is 5 kilograms. Which do you think will fall first? The answer is none. Both will fall in the same time and in the same rate. This is due to the fact that air resistance is not present in both of these objects, and the time it takes for it to drop is measured using the gravitational strength of the Earth, which has the value of 9.81 meters per second squared. For the sample problem, a couple living in a condominium unit are fighting. With so much anger, the wife throws their things and appliances to the window at an initial velocity of 25 meters per second. How long will it take for these things to fall to the ground, and how high is their condominium unit? This is how we illustrate the situation. This is the formula that we will use. We have the initial velocity, which is negative 25 meters per second, considering it is moving downwards, and the g, which is 9.81 meters per second squared. We still need to find the final velocity. Let's analyze the problem. The problem says to the ground. If an object drops to the ground, it stops. And if the object is at rest, it means that the velocity is basically zero. So there you go, the final velocity is 0. Now let's substitute all the values that we have. Now the missing variable is t, which is the time. Let's solve for t using the rules of algebra. So we can come up to the final answer, which is 2.55 seconds. Next is we have to solve for the distance or height. The formula that we will use is this. Let's just substitute all the values that we have and take note that the time that we will use is the time that we have solved earlier. So the final answer is 95.65 meters. A small mailbag is released from a helicopter that is descending steadily at 1.50 meters per second. After 2 seconds, what is the speed of the mailbag, and how far is it below the helicopter? This is how we can illustrate the situation.